Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur na louba sahi asigi Class 12 ki result ngasi laothokhre. Pass tawbagi sangsada maudraga taret dasmik taruk ahum yauduna khwaidagi wangba COHSEM gi record oikhre punna mahiroi listing kuntra mathoi chamaga kunganipan exam thakibada mahiroi listing kuntra sahunga maudra mathoi pass tawduna sada maudraga taret dasmik taruk ahum yaukibani mahiroi listing kun samriga maudra nipana first division da mahiroi listing nipan samriga maudra nipana second division da aduga mahiroi listing amaga chahum kuntra matoina third division of pass tauki loinana mahiroi humfuga marina simple pass tauki Manipur lenga ki mahisang ama oriba COHSEM Higher Secondary School na commerce subject a topper private school comet amadi EK Higher Secondary School na arts amadi science a topper oibangamki Science stream da topper oikiba comet school sangangagi mahiroi malemgambi livestream na apunmar mark changwagi manungda samriga maudra humdoi fangdana first taki Manipuri English Physics Chemistry Biology amadi math subject singda letter setki art stream dana EK Higher Secondary School sangaphamgi mahiroi thoksom saidajina apunmar mark changwagi manungda samriga humdraga taret fangdana first taki Manipuri English History Geography Sociology math subject singda letter setki Commerce stream da lenga ki mahisang oiriba COHSEM Higher Secondary School COHSEM gi mahiroi aina nauremna apunmar mark changwa gi manungda samriga nimfu taret fangduna first taki English Accountant Business Computer Science subject singda letter setki
Percentage for this year is 97.63%, which is the highest in the history of COHSEM. If we break this percentage subject-wise, for arts the first percentage is 94.35%, which is also highest for arts. Science it is 98.91%, commerce 93.51%. Overall it is 97.63%. This pass percentage is the highest in the history of COHSEM. There was no any relaxation in the examination conducted by COHSEM. Exam was conducted in a very challenging manner. It was not normal like the previous years. In that way, the officers of COHSEM has done a remarkable job.